Hello viewers, today we will discuss union of events. In probability theory, the union of two events A and B is the event that consists of all outcomes that belong to either event A or event B or both. Union of two events is denoted by symbol A union B. This is the symbol of union. For example, if event A is rolling a die and getting a 4 and event B is rolling a die and getting a 5, then the union of events A and B is A union B. This is the symbol of union. Rolling a die and getting a 4 or a 5. In other words, if either event A or event B occurs, the union of events A and B has occurred. The probability of the union of two events is given by the formula probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. This is the formula of probability of A union B, where probability of A and B is the probability of both events A and B occurring simultaneously. This formula takes into account the fact that if both events A and B occur, their probabilities are double counted. So the probability of their intersection, probability of A and B, must be subtracted from the sum of their individual probabilities. It is important to note that the union of events is not the same as the intersection of events, which is the event that consists of all outcomes that belong to both events A and B.